Namaste and good evening to everyone.
Namaste.
It was a wonderful experience of learning from you again because I have attended your session in person in Bangalore in 2016 and
Oh,
I did not forget it. And still I have the same enthusiasm to learn from you. And I think it's probably a God-given opportunity to learn again because I never thought that I'll learn once again, but
okay.
it's wonderful, and I never miss yours and Kiran sir's videos on the YouTube every Sunday.
Great.
That was an awesome experience, and whatever the level he advises, he tells in the YouTube videos, I think I'll look forward for each and every Sunday. And coming to this workshop, probably you had kept, I think, very simple, sir. Probably a 10th standard student or 10th standard guy can understand and start making money. But yeah, it requires a little bit of practice, and I think you made it very adaptable and learn. And one or two things probably I can highlight. The takeaways is I think I have so many people will agree with me that whenever anybody asking a question, you understand what is that question, and then immediately you know what kind of answer suits, and everybody can understand that. So that's probably comes from virtue of experience, and what you said that you have seen so many lakhs of students probably over a period of decades. So that itself speaks that you understand the question the minute I open my mouth, so you will know that what kind of question this guy is asking and what
Yes.
kind of answer I can give. So
Yes.
that's a very probably I would say comes from virtue of experience. And the second thing I have learned and I'll never forget it, simplicity works.
Yes.
Probably it's very tough to follow, but I think hope everybody agrees that simple things does work in the market, and I think that's a testimony probably I have seen and again experienced that how we enter at a certain price and then make a run of our profits to multiple times, multiple thousands, hundreds of times
Correct.
of money multiplies. So that I think you had shown in umpty number of examples, even during 2016 when I attended, and the same process, nothing has changed. So that means the method, the simplicity you have shown us, decades of your practice, yours and Kiran's practice is probably showing up in your sharing that experiences and telling to all of us and grow along with you guys. So that's I think I can't thank enough. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you
Really
so much. Thank you.